Healthy Mediterranean salad. Nutrition information. Serving size 100 grams. Calories 113. Fat 10 grams. Carbs 5 grams. Fiber 1 gram. Sugars 3 grams. Protein 4 grams. Ingredients: 1 chicken breast, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon fresh dill, salt and pepper to taste. For dressing: 100 grams Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 tablespoons water, 1 clove garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon fresh dill, salt and pepper to taste. For toppings: 1 head lettuce, 65 grams cucumber, sliced and halved, 90 grams olive, halved, 75 grams red onion, thinly sliced, 100 grams cherry tomato, halved, 75 grams feta cheese, crumbled. Preparation: preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Place chicken breast on a baking sheet lined with aluminum foil or parchment paper. Top with olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, dill, and salt and pepper to season. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes until the juices run clear. Add all dressing ingredients in a small bowl and whisk until combined. Slice thinly or cube chicken, cutting to your preference for topping the salad. Assemble your salad, starting with a base of romaine lettuce. Then top with chicken, cucumber, olives, red onion, tomatoes, feta, and the dressing. Toss to evenly incorporate ingredients. We'd love to hear what you think. Share your thoughts and feedback in the comments below. Don't hesitate to ask for your favorite recipes. Let us know what you'd like to see in our upcoming. Enjoy!